So we're chatting to Leo here at CTEC. How you going, Leo?
Hello, I'm fine.
Well, can you tell us what you're doing over there?
I'm organizing the wiring for a winch that I have to install in the boat. So I'm doing part of the wiring out of the boat so I can achieve a better quality of the job.
Yep.
And
So
then
is that a new winch?
it's a new winch for berth 23.
Yep.
So basically it's just wiring the relay to the motor of the winch. And once all the wiring is done here, I'll jump on the boat and I'll install the rest of the wiring and the motor on its place.
Okay, cool. So you're getting it all ready before you start installing.
Yeah.
And what happened to the old winch?
The old one is corroded because of salt.
Yep.
It's the sea environment. It's really rough.
Cool.
So you're replacing parts every time, all the time.
Do you
need
get
to-
many of these type of jobs?
Most of our jobs is fixing damage caused because of corrosion.
Corrosion.
Salt in the sea, you have heat exchanger corroded, wiring corroded,
Yeah.
drives corroded, everything.
So it comes with the territory, doesn't it? Being in
It's
salt
part of
water.
the job.
Yeah, cool. Oh, thanks heaps. We might come visit later and see how it's looking.
Okay.
Thanks,
bye.
Leo. Bye.
See ya.